Hi, my name is Kyla. I'm from the United States of America and I'm currently teaching in Hua Hin, Thailand. What I love about living in Thailand is the food, the culture, the natural beauty, and of course the shopping. I am a huge foodie and I'm also pescatarian, and I've had no trouble having all these different options of new foods to try. Another thing I like about Thailand is the natural beauty. So where I live in Hua Hin, I have the option to either go see the beach or the mountains, and both are just amazing. And I can't believe that this is the view that I wake up to every morning. So the natural beauty of Thailand is something that I cherish a lot, and it makes me very happy. Another thing I like about Thailand is the natural beauty. So where I live in Hua Hin, there are mountains. There's also the ocean and just everything in between. When I walk around, I just see palm trees and flowers everywhere, and it's just such a beautiful place to live. And the view I see in the morning is just so amazing. So if you come to Thailand, you won't be disappointed by what you see and what's around you. The last thing I really enjoy about living in Thailand is the shopping. There is no shortage of shopping, from malls that are just so amazing that have like koi ponds in the middle of the mall, to just night markets that have cheap, cute clothing that you can wear every day. And I didn't expect it to be something I enjoyed so much doing here, but I really do.